Hi everyone. Today I walk in the Fields Avenue and I see one amigo from Spain and Portugal. And he is have travel. What is your name? Hi.
Hello, guys. I'm Diego from Portugal on YouTube, and I'm right now in the Philippines. And I like to travel by bicycle. I'm doing some bikepacking, and I was walking here in Angeles City, and I met my amigo from Russia.
Yeah, from Russia.
What's your name?
Leon.
Leon.
Leon, and your name?
Diego.
Diego.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Diego, in the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you.
I
Nice to
saw
meet
you traveling in the Philippines right now. You said traveling from Angeles to Davao, or you before travel already?
I did once travel from Angeles to Davao with a bike, and we have to take several ferries and make several stops in Naga City or Legazpi, and it takes about 1 month overall to do the whole trip, and I'm planning to do it this year again. But now I'm in Angeles, a little bit acclimatization, trying to relax, get the the diet, eat the food, the mangoes, and the jet lag. The jet lag is really bad also.
How long time you already here in Angeles City?
Only since Wednesday, so 4 days.
Only 4 days.
Yes.
Oh.
4 days. So I still have jet lag. I'm like waking up at 3 a.m. I'm hungry.
Do you want it?
No, right now no.
Jollibee. He said to me, Jollibee. If he see Jollibee, it's many girls like Jollibee because they fat now. Most of over fat in Philippines.
That's why when I see a fat girl, I'm like, you probably like Jollibee, right? There's so many fried foods in Jollibee.
But you want to travel again in the Philippines, or want to stay in Angeles City right now?
Right now, I'm gonna stay in Angeles City a few days, at least a week, just to acclimatize. And I need to get my card. I ordered a, you know, Gcash?
Gcash.
Yeah.
Card Gcash, I know. It's about 1 week or 10 days.
1 week, 10 days. I ordered
Yeah.
a Gcash card, so I'm waiting to get the card, and then I can go from here.
Yeah, Gcash card really is very nice. In the Philippines, you can use Gcash application, Gcash card also. How long time you already processing make this card? When you arrive Philippines only?
Yeah, when I arrive here,
Just need only passport, ICR card need or not need, and phone number.
the passport, I think you need the flight tickets.
Flight ticket. They asking flight ticket also.
Flight tickets. But it's pretty easy, yeah. You set it up and then you send money from abroad onto the Gcash, and then basically you have a bank account here in the Philippines for free. It's only the card costs like 250 peso, and that's it.
You can try also Paymaya, also have card. Paymaya.
I don't know Paymaya.
Paymaya also have, they give to you card.
Okay.
Also MasterCard.
Okay.
So you can try also Paymaya. Also easy.
Is it? I didn't know. I don't know if everybody has like Paymaya, but I know almost everybody has Gcash.
Yeah, everybody. But if Paymaya and Gcash always same.
Same.
Yeah, same. But if you can two card, no problem.
It's better to have two cards.
Yeah. If you already in Angeles, you can make also Paymaya. It's also good. What about Angeles City right now? You've been before in Angeles City and now. What about beta now or not? Modules or not?
I don't think I came 2 years ago and last year, and it hasn't changed a lot. There's like less people in the SM. It used to be fuller. Now it's less people. It's like the same amount of girls in the walking street. And they cleaned up a few homeless people at the corner there in the SM. There was always those homeless people. Now they're gone. But unfortunately, yeah, there's still like kids begging and holding your hands and wanting a few pesos. I think this is gonna take a long time to change.
Yeah, always the same. I already explained about what happened with me before. It's last October, how they snatched my bag. So he already know what's why he already prepared. Not have bag, don't have mobile phones. Just simple clothes also need. Simple.
Simple. No gold chains.
No gold. Yes, gold not need.
I got my cell phone snatched. Pickpocketed 2 years ago. I already made videos about it.
But you have YouTube channel or not?
I have a YouTube channel. Yeah.
What is your YouTube channel?
It's called Diego in Portugal.
Diego in Portugal. Okay,
Yes.
I will put in description of a video name of his YouTube channel.
Yes, right. Thank you.
Guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Nice meeting you, and hopefully we see you next time. Bye bye.
And subscribe his YouTube channel. Thank you.